Dear students, welcome to our channel. Today's video is about the usage of articles. An article is an adjective that modifies the noun. And there are two types of articles, the indefinite articles that comes before a singular noun and the definite articles that come before a specific noun. Now first, we look into the use of the indefinite articles are and an. The rule number 1. A singular common noun always carries an article before it. For instance, I saw a line. I want a cup of coffee. Do you need a pencil? An article a is before every singular noun. Rule number 2. Words beginning with consonant sound precedes a, and words beginning with vowel sound precedes n. Let's look into example. A $1 note, a one-man army, a university, a union, and a useful book. Although these words are starting from the vowels, but it does not sound a vowel. So they won't carry an article n, they will carry article a. An umbrella, an ice cream, an apple. Since they have the vowel sound, so they carry the article n. Here are some special cases too, like an MA, an honest man. Although they are not starting with the vowel, but they have the vowel sound. Therefore, they carry the article n. And now the rule number 3. Proper noun generally do not take any articles. But when a proper noun needs to be used as a common noun, it must carry a or n. Let's see with an example. He thinks he is a Shakespeare. Here Shakespeare does not refer to the actual person, but someone like him. He seems to be an American. America is a proper noun, but American is a common noun, because there is only one America, but a millions of Americans. And rule number 4. Sometimes indefinite articles are used to refer the number 1, each, or per. For instance, I earned $1,000 in that job. It means $1,000. I have a car. One car. It goes 50 miles an hour. It means per hour. And rule number 5. Indefinite articles often precede descriptive adjective. Like, he is a good boy. What a nice car. And rule number 6. A or an sometimes comes before or after the determinant. For example, a few, a little, a lot, and a most. I have a few friends coming over. There is a little milk in the jar. But in case of many, a or an come after it. Like many a fan welcomed him. And now the rules for the definite article the. Rule number 1. The is used to indicate a particular person or thing in the case of common noun. For example, the man is running. I saw the boy stealing. Where is the pen I gave you last day? I gave him a ball, but he lost the ball. Here, a ball becomes a ball in the second clause because the ball was not a random ball anymore. Rule number 2. Sometimes the is used to generalize a group. For example, the dog is a faithful animal, reference to the whole species of the dogs. The English are industrious, reference to the people of England as a nation. The honest are respected. Here, the plus adjectives become a plural noun, thus carry the plural verb. And now, the poor are not always dishonest. Rule number 3. To particularize an uncountable noun, the is required before it. For instance, the water of the Arctic Ocean is freezing. Please return the money I lent you last year. Rule number 4. The is mandatory before heavenly bodies. For example, the moon is shining tonight. The earth is moving around the sun. And the Jupiter is the largest planet. The is used before geographical places, like the name of continents, name of countries, name of states, cities or streets, name of singular lakes and bay, name of singular mountains, and name of singular islands. Rule number 6. Since the is a widely used article in English and the is used before almost all the nouns which means something definite or particular, it must precede names of ocean, gulf, seas and river like the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Persian Gulf, the Nile and the Indus River, etc. Names of the country with United States or islands like the United States of America, the USA, the UK, the UAE, the Philippines. Similarly, the names of Great Lakes and names of mountain ranges like the Himalayas and names of musical instruments like the piano, the guitar, the violin. And the article the must precede before the acronyms like the UN, the NATO, and the Punjab. Now here are some rules for the omission of articles. Some common types of nouns that do not take an article are names of language and nationalities like Chinese, English, Spanish and Russian. Names of sports like volleyball, hockey and basketball. And similarly, the names of academic subjects like mathematics, biology, history does not take the article. Hope this video will help you to prepare for the board exams. Best of luck, and if you appreciate our efforts, please do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.